From Independence Hall, we are moving over here back to the Washington, D.C. area. This time we are going to Arlington, Virginia to visit the Tomb of the Unknowns. This is in the middle of the Arlington National Cemetery and is the resting place, the final resting place of several soldiers from World War I, World War II, and the Korean War whose remains were never identified. Nobody ever knew who they were. All they knew is that they died serving our country. So as a symbol of all of the other men and women who have died protecting our country, this tomb is guarded 24 hours a day, 365 days a year in any kind of weather. So on this one, I want you to use the time historical imagery and look at the different photos from different time periods. It will probably help if you turn off the 3D buildings. Just go through and look and see if you can see any changes in the cemetery. The cemetery goes all the way out. It's a really, really big cemetery. And the small little markers and the dots that you see along here are the gravestones. So see if you notice any differences from 1988 to now in the way that the cemetery is set up or used. Also, one thing that I really, really liked was an interview with a soldier from the honor guard of the Tomb of the Unknown Soldiers. So I would highly recommend watching this video. How much discipline do you think it would take to be a soldier like this? Would this be something that you would like to do, or would you rather support soldiers in other ways? What are some ways that we can support soldiers? Think about all those kinds of questions as you watch this video. When you get done with that, if you'd like, there are a couple of really pretty pictures here of the tomb, and this is the honor guard that is out there 24/7. The other one that I wanted to show you is this one. These are the upside down laurel leaves, and laurels were used in Roman times to show victorious people. When the Greeks first did the Olympics, they used laurel wreaths instead of medals like we do today. A laurel wreath was the sign of the highest honor. So these soldiers have the highest honor even though no one knows who they are. And then I would scroll down and check out this other one because it just shows you the inscription. It says, "Here rests in honored glory an American soldier, known but to God." So they're just saying that no one knows this soldier, but we highly honor them. So look around, enjoy the pictures, and think about ways that as citizens of this country we can show respect to the soldiers who protect us.